In a sunlit forest, a tiny elephant named Alfie awoke. He felt sad and small, unlike the other elephants. But the forest was magical, with gentle birds fluttering by. Suddenly, Alfie spotted a bright red flower. A gust of wind whisked it away, and he playfully chased it down a path of colorful leaves, his heart filled with wonder. The chase led him to new friends, a wise old tortoise and a cheerful monkey. "Being small is a gift," the tortoise said kindly. The monkey agreed, showing Alfie how he could zip through the trees. Their journey brought them to a sparkling river. With his friends cheering him on, Alfie bravely swam across, the warm sunlight dancing on the water. He returned to his herd at sunset, his heart full of pride. The other elephants watched in awe as Alfie smiled, no longer feeling small but feeling brave. Under a glowing sunset, Alfie played with his new friends, his little world now filled with joy and confidence.